In this video, I'm going to recommend 5 money-making apps to you so that you can take them seriously and start cashing out from them. App number 1 I'll talk about is Gcom. Now, Gcom is one popular app that we have. It's an e-commerce platform where you can buy and sell stuff over there. But for those of us who wants to profit from it, we sell products on the platform. So anytime you have a product there, people will reach out to you and you sell to them. Last, I was watching some interview and a guy explained how he started his furniture business, and that was when Gigi came new, and then he took advantage of it and he made a lot of money from it. So this is the time that some of us discovered Gigi.com. So if you're someone who wants to start selling on Gigi and all that, this is the opportunity for you. And one opportunity or one advantage you have whenever you are listing on the internet and all that is that it's not going to be just in your area. You see, if you start a physical shop, it's only you and the people around that knows that you have a shop here, or unless maybe a stranger comes to pass by and saw your banner and it goes back and then come and buy something. He remembers and come and buy something. But if you're using the internet always, someone can be at La Paz and see your product and order from you. Someone can be in Volta region and buy something from you. So in that case, no, your product is not just showing to people around. That's why you need to take the online space seriously. If you list on Gigi.com, you can start selling something small, and you start making some small money for yourself. I believe Gigi.com will be a best bet, and I'll put that at number 1. So app number 2 I'll talk about is YouTube. So YouTube is another crazy platform that is helping a lot of people make money. See, Ronaldo just joined YouTube. So if you're someone who is underrating YouTube, thinking like YouTube doesn't give people money and all that, that's a lie. Those of us who are small and all that, we are not making enough, but at least $100 a month, dear. Sometimes I earn less than $100 a month, but in most cases too, I earn more than $100 a month. So it's one platform that if things are going well, you make a lot of money from it. Maybe you are watching this video, you may be even getting more traction to your videos than me that I'm here right now. So if you're someone who wants to start, you can start right now. I know someone who started just very small, but now he is bigger than me, and I know you're watching this video. So that's it. If you are someone who wants to start YouTube, you can start YouTube, and it will be giving you some passive income, because for YouTube, anytime people are watching the videos, you'll be getting paid. So let's say I finished creating this video and I upload it, and someone is watching this video, let's say 12 midnight. YouTube is going to pay me for that person watching the video at 12 midnight. That should also inspire you to also create something that somebody can actually purchase, or maybe a video or something that someone can buy at 12 midnight. So that's what we call passive income. So apart from YouTube, the next app you have to take seriously is Facebook. Now, Facebook is here in Ghana. You can create content and monetize it. At first, you have to go through a lot of protocols before you get monetized. But now, you can easily monetize your Facebook account. And one tip is that for you to get traction to your videos faster on Facebook, you should pick a niche that people are mostly interested in. That's comedy, movies, and these funny stuff. That's what trend more. That's what most people are interested in. So you be a creator as well. Don't just be enjoying their videos. Also create something. And I believe, Facebook, once you get like 5,000 followers and 60,000 watch minutes, they'll monetize you and you start making money from there. Booking.com. Booking.com is a platform where hotels are listed, properties are listed, okay? But what we'll be doing is that, first of all, you have to come into agreement with landlords and let them know that you want to promote their properties for free. So anytime there is a successful sales, you make a commission from it. So you'll be listing the properties on the Booking.com app. Okay, you will list them on the Booking.com app. Then anytime there's a successful sales, you make a commission from it. Sometimes you can earn 10%. If you didn't make you can make like 5%. I wanted to end this video on Booking.com, but I can't forget Binance. Binance is also another app that can help you to make money on the internet on daily basis, especially if you're someone who is into crypto. You can trade cryptocurrency and make money on daily basis with the help of Binance. But is a risky business. So if you are not fast, you are going to be losing money all the time. And those who normally lose money on Binance, I was part of those who lose a lot of money on Binance. But one strategy that I'm using is that I don't go there to go and make a lot of money over there. I go there anytime I get a percentage, like even 10% of whatever I invest there. I'm okay. If I get 5%, I'm just okay. If it is $100 that I put in and I get $10, but I'm okay. That's one thing that is helping me, because I'm not a G at the, I'm not that guy that is really good at reading the candlesticks and all that. I'm always learning about that. So for now, the strategy I've been using that have been helping me is to make at least 10% if I get a clear indication that this is going to go in my favor. So if you're someone who wants to go into Binance or crypto trading and you're a beginner, I think you should use this strategy. If you want to turn your $100 to $300 and you're a beginner, it's just a matter of time, or your money will sink. So guys, in this particular video, these are the apps that I'll personally recommend to you. Let me know which of these you think is your favorite and which of these will you try out. Leave it in the comment section and definitely I'll see exactly what you are up to. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.